Hi friends, how are you? Hope you'll be fine. Today I'm with another video. It's a like partridge. You can hear the sounds, real sound. He's a catch animal because he is a farmer. He have a owner, and that's why he are in cage because people's always wants to protect him from dangerous animals like cat, dogs, and so many other dangerous animals. They attack on him. That's why people always protect and save him. So impressive sounds, real nature sounds of black partridge. So interesting. You can hear these real sounds. Watch it. Oh, loving. So beautiful sound. So he's in cage. Sometimes people's giving them bit independence when they feel that he is now with us, then they provide independence. Otherwise they save him because he is a jungle animal. So he mostly live in Sindh, Asia, Sindh, also Pakistan and India. So he mostly live in desert areas, this black one, and so many type of breeds. You also know about these, but this black one is so antique, so unique type of bird. So people love him a lot. Mostly lovers of this bird searching, and people sell highly prices in the world because this is a unique bird. So you can hear the sounds, you can hear the moments. He's so attractive, so beautiful. When he will be free, I will produce you another video of his independence, and keep tuned and watch and subscribe my YouTube channel and support me. Thank you. God bless you all.